Adding multiple photos to your Instagram story is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple photos to your story so you can share even more with your friends. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to see how easy it is to add multiple photos to your Instagram story. To get started, first open up the Instagram application. And then tap on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. And then select Story. So now you can take a photo right now, or you can choose a photo from your gallery. So, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select a random photo from my gallery. And now what you want to do next is make the background one solid color. So in order to do that, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen, then tap on the draw. And then you can select any color that you like. Simply swipe through these. Or you can tap on this color picker icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and select a color from the image. Once you have your color selected, tap and hold the screen to make the colored background, and then tap on the check mark icon at the top right corner of the screen. So, if you want to add multiple photos to your Instagram story, simply tap on the sticker icon over here. And then scroll down a little bit, and tap on this icon with the plus symbol. And then select the photos that you want to add. You can then resize and move this to wherever you want. And now to add another photo, tap on the sticker icon, and then tap on the icon with the plus symbol. You can also resize this image and move it anywhere that you like. So, you can follow these simple steps to add as many photos as you like to your Instagram story. Once you are done adding photos to your story, you can post this story just as you would do when posting a regular story. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.